The Michelin Primacy 5 versus the Dunlop Blue Response TG, a battle between refined evolution and a brand new comeback. The Primacy 5 represents Michelin's latest step in touring segment, focused on balance safety, comfort and efficiency. The Blue Response TG marks Dunlop's return, rebuilt under Sumitomo's full control with fresh compound and design philosophy focusing on maximizing grip and deliver stronger performance and value. So the question is simple. Do you stick with a proven balance, or is the new challenger ready to take over? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin Primacy 5 set as the reference point at 100%. The data source comes from Auto Motorsport's 2026 Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Dunlop Blue Response TG leads. It stops 2.3 meters shorter, translating to a 6% advantage. In wet handling, it carries 1.1 km/h more speed, giving it a 2% advantage. In straight-line aquaplaning, both tyres are effectively identical, with just 0.1 km/h difference, which rounds down to 0%. Overall, the Blue Response TG clearly delivers stronger wet performance, particularly in braking and handling, while both remain equally stable in aquaplaning. In dry braking, the Dunlop continues its advantage. It stops 2.2 meters shorter, translating to a 6% improvement. In dry handling, the difference is minimal, just 0.9 km/h faster, which equals to a 1% advantage. Overall, the Blue Response TG holds a slight edge in dry conditions, driven mainly by stronger braking, while both tyres remain very close in handling balance. In noise, the Dunlop is 0.3 dB quieter, which translates to roughly 0% difference in rear-world perception. Efficiency is where Michelin Primacy 5 pulls ahead. In rolling resistance, it requires 1.2 coefficient value less energy, delivering a 14% advantage. In energy consumption, it uses 0.7 kWh per 100 km less, giving it a further 6% improvement. Overall, the Primacy 5 is clearly the more efficient tyre, which typically translates into better fuel economy and lower running costs. When it comes to pricing, in the tested 195/55 R16 size, the Dunlop Blue Response TG comes in 12% cheaper compared to the Michelin Primacy 5. In summary, the Dunlop Blue Response TG stands out as a stronger new generation contender, delivering better wet and dry performance, shorter braking distances, and a more attractive price point. On the other hand, the Michelin Primacy 5 still holds the key advantage in efficiency, with lower rolling resistance and a better energy consumption, making it a smarter choice for long-term running costs. That said, there's one important limitation here, where performance was not evaluated, so we don't know how much Dunlop's performance advantage comes at the expense of mileage or long-term consistency, especially in wet conditions.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.